Hi, everybody. I'm organizational psychologist Jay Timms. Being a leader, it's tough. With every organization that I've worked with or consulted for where someone says that they want to become a leader, my first question is always, are you sure? This is not an easy thing to do to be a leader. Listen, I know that there are so many things on your plate right now. You're dealing with different personalities, you're trying to create great products or services, hitting those financial targets, customers, plans, visions. I mean, the list goes on and on and on of the things that we as leaders have to do. There's also probably a good chance that you and the leaders in your company don't have a life outside of work. You're constantly putting out fires from people who aren't engaged. You're playing referee to all of the interpersonal conflicts in your company. And at some point along the way, you actually need to get your work done as well. What you need is a different way of doing things, a system that uses the psychology behind employee engagement, a system that helps you bring some of the best people on the planet into your company, one that helps get your employees from basic understanding of how to do their job to excelling in it in as short a time as possible, and allows you to keep the best of the best loyal to your company. It's been my experience that when you get this system right, your bosses will think you're a god. Your family will actually get to see you every night, and you will have a life outside of work that includes the time and money you want to enjoy the life that you've created. It's not rocket science, but the science behind how to do this quickly and maintain that level of performance can be tricky. Over the last 25 plus years, I've been an executive in, consulted for, and been a keynote speaker for companies whose products and services are in your home right now. From Fortune 500 companies to local organizations, I've had the honor of being a part of building the skills of thousands of some of the most impactful leaders around the world. My programs, presentations, and keynotes are not a PowerPoint preach and leave. My goal with every interactive, fun, and engaging moment with your leaders is to give you practical tools and strategies been tailored to your company's specific needs so that your team can use them as soon as they leave that room. Stop trying to do this on your own. There is a better way. In fact, it's an easier way. When you understand the science behind how to engage and motivate your team, I promise you will see a dramatic shift in the answer to the question, so how was your day? I'm Jay Timms, and I'm here to help.